Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you a really cool and fun project, a mini pizza box. So you need a 4 1/4 by 7.5 piece of cardstock. You can make it with a black cardstock, white cardstock, whatever solid color that you have. I'm doing it with a black cardstock. It's a really fun and fast project. So we're going to score it on the long side at 1, 3 1/4, 4 1/4, and 6.5 inches. And then we're going to turn the cardstock and score it as well. So we're going to turn it, and then we're going to score on each side at 1 inch. Score at 1 inch on each side. This is all the scoring that we need to do to make our mini pizza box. It's a really cute project. Okay, so the next thing is to, of course, fold all our score lines like we usually do. And once we have done that, I'm going to show you where you need to cut the paper to make the box. It's really very, very easy to make. Okay, so you need to take your scissors, and then we're going to cut along that score line there from the edge to where the score line meets on all 4 corners. And I also like to take a little bit off the corner diagonally, just to make sure that when I glue everything it looks really pretty. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side because we have 4 corners and we need all of them. So we're going to do that. And then we also need to cut in the middle. So we have 2 center score lines. Again, we cut them from the edge until they meet the horizontal score line. And we just cut here. We don't need to do anything else. And that's it. Now we just need to glue everything and make our box. It's going to look something like this. Okay, so let's glue everything. Really easy. We're going to apply glue to the inside of the little tabs we created in the corners. So on one side first, and then we'll do the other side. And we always glue them on the inside. Have to hold it a little bit until you secure it to its place. Then we're going to do the other 2 corners on the other side. Do the exact same thing. Okay, so our mini pizza box is almost ready. Now we need to attach those inside tabs. This is how it's going to look. Isn't that cute? It's like about the cutest box I ever made. So now let's attach the inside tabs. Just apply glue and then attach them to the walls on the inside like this. So on the left side is the box and the right side is the lid that closes on top. Just hold it until it's secure. You can leave this box as it is, but I'm going to obviously cover it with some pretty papers. And just making sure everything is in its place. So we're going to cover it with papers. Again, use whatever you have in your stash, whatever fits the theme of the box that you want. I have here a few pieces of cover paper that I've cut in advance. So they're 2 3/8 by 2 1/8. These are the larger ones, the one that goes on the top and on the inside of the box. And then you have the long strips and the short strips. The longer are 2 3/8 by 3/4, and the shorter are 2 1/8 by 3/4. And then you simply cover everything with your cover paper. I think I'm only going to cover the outside. Of course, you can go ahead and cover the inside as well if you want. Then you have the most adorable and cute quick box for any kind of small gift that you want. And if you want to make a larger pizza box, by the way, you can. You just need to calculate where to do the score lines. Okay, hope you like this project. I really liked it. It's so cute. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. You can go ahead, visit the channel. You have lots and lots of tutorials there. And when you subscribe, you get notified when I upload a new one. So don't forget to do that. This is our project. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.